you guys, okay, my husband has finally left the house. It's been, I don't know, I wanted to kill him for the last 2 days, so it's been a while. But on Monday, which was a holiday here, the post office delivered a sizable, I'll show you the size of the box. It's still under my desk because I've been kind of hiding it. The stuff isn't in there. I have secreted it away into my desk drawers. I'll show you why in a second. So a few weeks ago, or a few days ago, it wasn't that long. Look how big this box is. It's huge. Yeah. I had a few gins, and Drunk Me sent Sober Me a gift of $300 worth of yarn, which I have now got in the drawer down here. In fact, I think it's in 2 drawers. This is from Little Woolly Makes, I think it's in South Australia. I think originally Drunk Me wanted to buy me some new indie dyers to try out, but every time I put some Life in the Long Grass or Lola B, I think it's called, I can't remember, I follow her on Instagram but I can never remember Lola, and one of the other ones, I wanted 2. I always want 2 because otherwise, yeah, it's just going to sit there and never get used. I always wanted 2, and every time I tried to put 2 in, there was only 1. So I ended up having a little paddy and getting, hold on, where are we? No, that's 5 of these. Where's the other one? There it is. This is Indecita on Malabrigo Rios. There's 5 of those for Sober Me from Drunk Me, which I immediately put in the drawer here because there was a discussion a few weeks ago about me not buying any more yarn. 2 Malabrigo sock in Ivy. That's not all. Oh no no. Let me open the other drawer. 2 Hedgehog Fibers sock, I think it is, in Monet, which is, it's beautiful. Look how pretty it is. And a colourway that Drunk Me knows that Sober Me has wanted for a very long time, which is called Salty Tails, and it's just fantastic. Look at that. Yeah, so that's my quick video because he's going to be back again in about 5 minutes. Yeah, he's gone quickly to the office to have a look at some stuff. I really hope everyone else is coping with your isolation. Everything is taking me 10 times longer to do with man and child in the house, and also, you know, the postal service is very slow. Every day is like Christmas week for them, poor bastards, and it's taking forever to get anything through customs or anything through, like, tracking is not working for anything at all, ever. But they're doing their best, and I really thank you if you work for the postal service, because it means I can still do business and I can still get yarn out to you guys. So stay safe. Don't kill your loved ones if you can help it. And I hope this cute little video ties you over until we can go back to business as normal and having Friday yarn waffle, which is at least 20 minutes long. I can already hear his car coming back. That's how quick he's been. I'm gonna go back to, because my yarn order that has been, it took a little holiday in France for 2 weeks in that hotbed of COVID in Paris. I've disinfected almost all of it. Yeah, it sat in France for two weeks and I think 2 days, and then it went off to Dubai, and then it went off to Singapore, and then it finally arrived here. So it's taken so long for that to arrive. I've also had to put in another yarn order, which is still on its way here. So if you're waiting for an order from me, it's coming. It's just coming very slowly. There will be a good few orders from about 3 weeks ago that I'll be filling today. Cozy care packages, yay! I made fudge, but it's like, it's fine for us to eat, but I don't want to give it away to you guys. It's not great. So I've got chocolate, I've got tea, I've got handmade bags to go in these cozy care packages, and I'm going to be dyeing up a load of yarns to go in them. I'm particularly interested in doing the lady that asked me secretly for lots of pink, because I know, Anna, you're out there probably watching this. I've got a new colourway in mind just for your bag, and probably for the website, but also just for your bag, which I thought about last night while I was dyeing up some emergency yarn for somebody. And so I'm going to look at doing that this afternoon, and I can't wait because it's going to be pink central. So stay safe. Don't kill any of your loved ones. Remember, we're going to get through this, and school will be waiting for the children on the other side, and so will your partner's jobs, or your roommate's jobs, or your parents' jobs, whoever it is. They will go back to doing that, and you will have some space to yourself. I know it's very difficult to have space to yourself at the moment for everyone, even, you know, we're getting 20 questions when you go out the front door, basically. It is for the greater good. And I know it doesn't feel like it at times, but we really are in Australia doing a really good job at this. I know there are a good few cases down here, but you know, we are doing a really good job of actually flattening the curve a little bit and making it not as bad as it could be. So just pick up the de-stress knitting, and you know what, don't worry about any weight you put on during this. Let's just get to the other side of it, and then let's go back to the gym and all that good stuff. Okay, have a good, what day is it? I can't even remember what day is it. Have a good Wednesday. Have a good Wednesday, everybody. Love you.